G-code is not the only output SolidCAM can generate. Many times, user has a need to generate a documentation about the technology process that he has already created. The use of this documentation can vary, from delivering it to the operator side on the shop floor level, so he can have a better overview of the whole process, or to save and archive the technology for any future use. In many cases, this kind of documentation is written manually and can take a lot of time to prepare. That is why SolidCAM offers a perfect solution for automatic setup sheet generation. In just a few clicks, it can generate a document about the whole technology that has already been created inside SolidCAM. It will include all the data that you already set inside the project, including tool data, operation data, and setup data, and create a final document that is ready to use. The only thing that this add-in requires is that you have on your PC a working version of Microsoft Excel. The best thing is that it is fully customizable, and all the templates are created per customer requests. These templates are customer-oriented, and we take care about all the requests that come to us. The only thing a user has to do is to provide us with an example of how he wants his setup sheet to look like. This is the example of the final document generated with the setup sheet add-in. Besides Excel setup sheets, SolidCAM can generate setup sheets in other formats, such as Word format, HTML, or RTF format. Please note that these formats and templates built inside these formats are not customizable. On the other hand, Excel templates are fully customizable and generated as per customer desires. One more unique thing that SolidCAM offers to our users is the possibility to make their own templates online. This can be achieved by using our new web configurator, a website platform for customizing your own setup sheets, which you can later install and use with your SolidCAM.